Hello, good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn the new topic which is uh, uh, which is related to 7 standard state board. So this topic is related to hibiscus flower. So we have already a demonstration. Now we have already taken a hibiscus flower. So now you can see it is a nicely. So this is the hibiscus flower which I already taken. So now we will see the what are the things in this hibiscus flower. First we will explain. So first thing, in the top view, if you see, there is a stigma. The top view, you can see the red side, it is the stigma. Now I will show you on the page. This is the stigma. If you see, this is the stigma. I will show you. This is the red part. The name of this part is called as a stigma. Now the second part of this hibiscus flower, the name of the that part is named as a anther. This you can see the yellow part. This is the yellow part of the flower. This is known as a anther. Now if you see, there is a small this is the small line you can see over here. So this is the small line. So this name of the part is called as a filament. Huh? So this is the filament of the this flower. Now the next part of this flower I will show you. This is the red lines. So these lines we can see in this flower. So this name of red lines is called as a corolla. This red lines, this name called as a corolla. Now next thing, you can see the downside of this thing. So this is the green part. Now you can see the green part of the hibiscus flower. So this part is called as a pedicel. So green part, you can see the downside is known as a pedicel. So next part of this, you can see there is a one green part. This name is called as a calyx. You can see this name as called as a calyx. This is the calyx. Now there is a one part I will show you after dissection. The name of that part is called as a ovary, and inside the ovary there is a ovules. So after dissection we can see all these things. So this is the full view demonstrations of hibiscus flower. Now I will show you a detailed dissection of the hibiscus flower. Students, now we have taken a dissection of the hibiscus flower. Now you can see on my page. Now this is the petals which I have separated from this flower. So petals are separated from these flowers. So these are the petals. Now we already learned that there is a red line you can see on the this flower petals. So that already told that it is a corolla. Now there is one more part of this we already seen in the flower. The upper part we already learned that the name of that part, red part, this I told after dissection. So you can see over here. So this is the red part of this hibiscus flower. The it is named as a stigma. So I also dissected the anther. Now you can see the yellow part. This I already dissected, and the line you can see over here is called as a filament. So I dissected this also. So I separated this. I am keeping it over here. Now third part. So this part is named as a. Now students, you can see this red tube like structures. So this part is known as a style. So I am keeping it over here. So now the next part of this hibiscus flower, So that is called as a calyx. So I already cutted the calyx. So this is the green part of the uh, hibiscus flower. So I am also keeping it over here. So there is one more part of this hibiscus flower. I already done the dissection. So this is the inner part. Now you can see nicely. So this is the ovary. So this is the ovary. Now this, you can see the yellow part of this hibiscus flower is called as a ovary. If you cut this, the inside part, you will get the ovules. Okay. Now this is already done. So now there is one more part of this flower is called as a, you can see this green line. So this name is called as a pedicel. So this name as a pedicel. So we will again see the, from start view. So first we have seen the petals. Now these are the petals. Now second thing, we have seen that it is a stigma. Then we have seen the anther. Then we have seen the filament. Then we have seen the style. uh, then we have seen the style. This is the style over here. Then we have seen the uh, pedicels. We have seen the pedicels. Afterwards we have seen the calyx, and this is the ovary, inner part of the hibiscus flower. Now you can see nicely, and inside the ovary there is a ovule. Okay students, thanks for watching my video. Bye.